Hello guys, how's everyone doing? This is my first YouTube video and welcome to my channel. Um, so I thought I would do this video to help out you guys who want to create logos for free. So what I've noticed is whenever we want to create a free logo and we type in how to create free logo or free logo makers in Google, we'll see so many search results, and most of them are just pretty useless because most of them would tell you they are free, but when you actually make a logo and try and download it, they would ask you to enter your credit card info, or they would let you download a low resolution logo um, for one time, and then you would have to pay. So I found a website where you can make free logo. You may already know it, but I thought I would show you guys. So let me go to that website. So normally if you go to create logo for free, most of them you have to pay. So if you go to this one, top 10 best logo design, you have to pay. This one you have to pay. Even though this one says 100% free online logo creator, you have to pay most of the time. Free logo design, you have to pay. This one you have to pay. This one you have to pay. Whereas this one, logo maker, this is what I've been using and it's actually amazing. If you click on that, it's very easy to make a logo. So let's wait for it. So if you want, you can watch this video. Otherwise, so it will tell you you can find the graphics and everything here in the search result. That's just introduction, so let's skip that. So if you want, first you can just type a logo, whatever you want. So you can just type in YouTube and you can just change the color. You can keep it red, whatever you want, and then you can also change the font to whatever you want. Let's say a bit fancy, and you can increase the size by dragging it. And so once you kind of created the desired font, you can go to search result and then type in whatever sort of picture you want. So let's say I want I'm doing a food logo, food related logo, so I would just go food and then enter, and it would actually give me a lot of food related pictures. So you can see pizza and so many others like burgers, etc. And the cool thing is you have plenty of choices. So crazy lot of options here. You can choose whichever one you want, and then let's say I'm choosing this one. It's a pretty nice logo, so I can resize it by dragging on the side, whichever one I want, and then I can also change the color. So just click on that graphic and then just change the color you want. So probably stick with the pink. Once that's done, you can just put it anywhere you want. So there is plenty of options for that, and then you can just click on save logo, and here it would tell you this, but no, you can still download it. So even though it says it's a low resolution file, it's actually pretty good resolution. So this is actually pretty good compared to all the other logo makers I've used, which actually says it's free, but then you have to pay, or you can download the low resolution file. Compared to that, this low resolution file is pretty amazing. It's pretty cool. Whereas the other websites low resolution file is actually low resolution, but this one is pretty good. So let's download it and I'll show you. So this is pretty good. So if you actually place it on your website, you can actually see it's actually amazing. So this is one website. Another one I really like is Canva. I don't know if you guys used it, but this is actually pretty good. This is again completely free. So if you go to Canva, and here you just need to type in logo and just enter logo, and then it will actually give you the exact size. That's a cool thing about Canva. So it will give you the exact size. You don't have to resize anything. So you can go for blank, or you can already go for the pre-existing styles. So I'll go for blank. Remember, even if you go for the blank, you can always come back to these styles. So click on the blank, and then it will take some time to load, and then you can go to the uploads and then upload any picture you like, or you can just go to their pre-designed logos. a lot of them are free actually. So if you click here, see, you can see it's free written on the bottom right. So if I click on this, I can just change the text. I can change to YouTube testing, and again I can change the color here, and I can change the color of this shape if I want. I can change to red, and I can reshape it, resize it, and so it's pretty cool. You can crop it, you can duplicate it. You got so many options here. Duplicate, so you'll get one extra which you don't need, so I'll just delete it. Or you can choose another style, and then you can, so if you want to download this, just click on to download, and again it says, you can choose PNG or JPG, it's up to you. Click on that, and then you just click download. It's easy as that, and here you go, and it's a very, very good one. So you can either use the logo maker, the one I told you earlier, or you can go for the Canva. So Canva is pretty good because you can not just do the logo maker, but you can also do many other styles like YouTube thumbnail and many others. So let me go back to the home. So you can here see YouTube thumbnail. You can make YouTube thumbnail here. You can make Instagram post. So if you hover over each of these designs, you can see the size of them. So these are made perfect for the job. So for Instagram post, it knows exactly what size it needs. You can also make YouTube icon, you can make the YouTube channel ad, so it's got plenty of options, Facebook cover, etc. So the purpose of this video was creating a logo for free. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So head over to Canva or Logo Maker, and then you don't have to pay a penny to make a logo. It's absolutely free. I hope you guys found this video useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.